Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new to my channel, thank you for clicking and welcome. Returnees too, welcome. Today, my subscribers, thank you so much. Please share my videos and subscribe. Please let it go up. Instead of being stagnant, let it go up. Share my videos. Thank you. Today I'm working on one of my clients' wraparound skirt from scratch, and then a jacket that she brought to me to work on to sew for her. And I haven't asked her permission yet, so I can't show you what I'm working on, but God willing, next week when she comes for fitting, I'll ask her and then I'll share it with you. But next week or a week after, I have two patterns I want us to work on. Okay, this is an apron and this is three-quarters dress, three-quarter sleeve dress that I want us to work on. Is this one, not that one. This one, three-quarters. Okay, this is fun. Let's do this next week or a week after I showed you my client fitting. It's apron. You don't have to have the contrast. You can use the same fabric for the pocket or for all the contrast that is on. Okay, let's have some fun. It's McCall's 6978. 6978. Okay, so let's make some apron, and then after that we will do this. This is Butterick 5917. Butterick 5917. Try to get these two patterns. Okay, this is more beginners friendly. This one is not, but I want to challenge you. I want you to sew this along with me in 2 weeks time or 3 weeks time. So I'm giving you enough time to get the pattern, and then challenge yourself and let's do this. Okay, it's gonna be in series, maybe up to part 2 or part 3. It's not it's intermediate level, so it's between beginners and that intermediate level. Okay, challenge yourself. Let's move a little bit higher. Okay, thanks. And I'm going to share some things with you. One of the reasons why I started this YouTube channel, besides teaching beginners how to sew, I wanted to improve my English. I want to be able to express myself in English, and I hope I'm doing very well. I know sometimes I get my numbers mixed up, side seam or front seam and all that, but I think I'm doing good. You guys let me know how I'm doing, okay? Because I want to improve my English, and I want to be able to stand in front of people and to talk and to express myself better in the English language. So today is going to be a short one, so I'm giving you the patterns and numbers again. Butterick 5917. Okay, Butterick 5917, a dress. And then the apron is McCall's, what do you call it, 6978. 6978. So next week or a week after we do this, then after this we do this. Ooh, but I'm showing you the back. Sorry, there we do this. Okay, so have a lovely day. Thank you for watching, and I hope you understand all my blabbling on. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day, and bye-bye for now. Bye-bye for now. Thank you so much. Bye.